What have you done?
I've basically got a piece of viscose out of my toolbox.
What's viscose?
This kind of plasticky washer thing.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to push that inside the O-ring. Like so. Which pushes that and keeps it into place. Alright. Tuck that in. Basically, what I want to do is tuck that right inside that metal O-ring, like that. Alright. Now, see that? What I've done there, to push that in there. Okay. Right, hold that there. Okay. This goes into here, like so. The brush, and that goes into there, like that. Right. Oh, hang on. Those brushes.
I realise that with your cap in this top,
Yeah.
anybody watching this could think this is military camp.
Military grade machinery.
Let's hope not, for the sake of all militaries.
All right. See that mechanism there?
Yeah.
This little piece here, right, which is just purely a slider with this end piece on that operates an internal switch, so it's on and off like that.
Yeah.
Yeah? That just sits inside there. Purely a slider mechanism. It's held into place, and then when you move this back and forth, it switches the switch. Okay, so let's put this back in there a second. If this doesn't work, then it does mean, unfortunately, a new machine. But we'll see. Let's just see whether or not... Oh. Okay. That's for the brushes. We'll put that back in a sec. Let's switch it on. Oops. Let's see what happens.
Sparks aren't usually a good thing.
Sparks are okay, to be honest, in something like this, because you see here, right? These here are called brushes, all right?
Uh-huh.
And what they do, along with this one here, this is a brush on the other opposite side, right? So you have two sets of brushes inside the mechanism. They basically sit down in here. This sits down in here. And these brushes rest against the magnetic part of the mechanism, which is here. Okay. like so. Alright.
It's a mechanism with magnetism.
Now, the brushes themselves, they cause the sparks because they are what connect this barrel to the magnetism of the machine. Okay. Yeah. That's what connects the barrel.
It still didn't look like a good thing.
Yeah, no, it is.
Huh?
It's like a scalextric. It works on that magnetism. All right.
See, now I understand what you're saying. Scalextrics, got it. So if you connect it, for me, if you connect it to something I get.
Yeah, that's what it's likened to, is a scalextric, and that's why it smells like a scalextric.
Actually, it does. Yeah.
Because these two brushes are creating the contact between the electrical barrel and the magnetic switch. Yeah. Look at this. You see it's moving?
Mm-hmm.
Look at the smoke.
What is the smoke telling us?
And that's basically telling us that there is an electrostatic charge there. So what we need to do is
Is that a thing to worry about?
look, the bottom line is that this machine is fucked. All right?
Yeah.
There's no repairing it.
No.
But it was interesting to dissect it to see exactly what the problem was.
It definitely was. It's kind of like, you know, machine porn or machine post-mortem porn.
Like, see this here? This is the on-off switch. All right? Now, if I was to just temporarily it's not gonna be any good for us now because
Definitely the smell of scalextrics.
well, the brushes are basically kaput. They're on springs. They sit there like that, right? Push that underneath. Like without them, the same way that a scalextric wouldn't work without them. All right. But if I put that switch on, just put this over the top of it for the moment, just so that you can see. See, this is like still not moving.
No, I think we can agree this is a dead parrot.
Yeah, because the viscous bearing isn't strong enough to push the cam up and down. But yeah, I mean it's a dead machine. Unfortunately, it's served its purpose. But do you want to see one more time the mechanism?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Well. This is kind of like putting electricity through a dead frog now.
Look, all you got to do is push that,